If you're interested in building a crystal radio like this and you have access to a 3D printer, I've made some parts available for you online. I'll leave those links in the description below, but some of those parts are like this wooden block down here that you set the coil on, and it's kind of a long process to cut this, and if you don't have saws and all that stuff, and if you have access to a 3D printer, you can make one that's very nicely formed. I've got 3 different sizes for 3 different tubes. I've also got a modification that will help. Let me show you the parts. Here we are. So you just need yourself a piece of board like this, and then you 3D print these pieces, and you say, what are those pieces? Well, again, those are the thing that you set your coil on. You'll need your piece of pipe, and then these things are towers, and this is a modification again to make it work more like, let me grab this one as an example. This is a really big help when it comes to tuning. It's a nice modification. Right here you can see these towers, and they support the tuner arms. And what that does is it makes the tuning a lot smoother. Otherwise these rods get all bent in all sorts of weird angles trying to go up on there, and they just don't tune nicely. The geometry is all wrong. So that's what these blocks are these things, but they are for different size tubes. So back to this one. What we have 2 blocks in case you want to build the super modified version or a single block. And how this goes is there's 3 screw holes in the top, 1, 2, 3 to mount through that way, or you can just bore up through the board and go into the block that way. There are 2 holes for wires so that you can run your wires over here and then run them up the inside there. And there's a notch. I don't know if you can see that. No, it's going out of focus. But you can run your wire up here around the wiper arm washer, and then back down and then out to the connection point here. And then your wiper arm will be bolted on here and go like that. Yeah, so again, I've already put these out there, and they're for different sizes. This particular one I'm showing you is for the 2-inch coil. I also put out a 2.5 and a 3-inch coil version of that. Okay, so what other goodies do I have for you? Yeah, I am also going to put these out there, and as you can see, no, it's black. I should have printed it in some other color. You can see this has the tower already on it, and it has the coil holders. So I can take the coil off, I can put it on here like that, and then my wiper arm would go on here like that, and it's all ready to go. You can also see that I've labeled the places where this is where the resistor and the phone go, and then there's 2 screw holes here. Crystal goes here at this location, then a wire runs over here, and again there's the wire channel that comes up here. That's why there's 3 holes. The center hole is for the tuner arm, and these 2 holes are for the wire, so the wire can come up this side, wrap around here, go back down, and then go over here to your ground. And then here's the antenna side. So on this one, you'd have to have the hardware, the basic hardware, and then supply your own pipe. But you can print out this 3D base. I will put out 2 versions of it. They look identical, but the thickness of this one, this is quite a bit thicker if you want a more robust one. However, it takes 9 hours longer to print. So yeah, that's something. And of course, I will put out videos on these detailing how to build them. But for right now, if you're in a hurry and you already know what you're doing, you can grab these and go print them out and start to work. And I almost forgot, I also have put out some knobs if you choose to build this capacitive style radio. I put out some knobs which are a lot more beautiful than the tubes that I originally had on here. I just had some plastic tubes. So yeah, these knobs are they're a big help when it comes to tuning this thing. Okay, well that's it for now. I hope you found this useful and interesting in your crystal radio experimentations.